FANUC is active in the fields of factory automation, consisting of numerical controls, robots, servos, and lasers. Through the diligent efforts of FANUC to apply IoT and AI technologies to all fields, customers are able to use FANUC products more efficiently. Moldex 3D is the world-leading CAE product for the plastic injection molding industry. With the best-in-class analysis technology, Moldex 3D can help you simulate the widest range of injection molding processes and to optimize product designs and manufacturability. In the traditional process, the connection between design and manufacturing is often weak. Consequently, simulation reports are not frequently utilized during mold tryouts, resulting in increased mold tryout times and cycle times. What are the benefits of integrating design and manufacturing? It can prevent failures of mold tryouts, shorten the manufacturing cycles. Complete records of the process are well preserved. Now, Moldex 3D assists FANUC to create a more intelligent injection molding machine. ROBOSHOT Alpha a-SIB series. Through the integration of FANUC ROBOSHOT-LINKi2 and Moldex 3D iSLM, you can directly access Moldex 3D iSLM through the FANUC machine interface. This allows you to instantly view CAE 3D simulation results. With just one click, you can transfer all molding parameters to the machine and start the mold tryout process. Furthermore, you can also observe the melt front changes according to the screw positions, thus finding the optimal molding parameters more quickly. Mold trials have become easier and more efficient. Data obtained from machine trials can be sent back to iSLM in real time. This means that product designers can remotely monitor the trial results. Through the seamless integration of FANUC ROBOSHOT-LINKi2 and Moldex 3D iSLM, not only can CAE simulation data be brought directly into the machine, mold tryout data can also be sent back to iSLM for simulation analysis. We have achieved direct connectivity between the design end and on-site trial molding. The experiences and knowledge can be transferred to valuable digital assets, which will be beneficial for the future product development, creating a new era of intelligent design and manufacturing with FANUC and Moldex 3D.